Hey, what's up guys? Welcome to Mr. V the Architect. Today we are looking at how to use a line to correct this rectangle. Let's make a line. This side of this rectangle is 20 meter. Let's make a line. Let's make it a 20. Then press enter. After that, go to shortcut AL, the align. Then press space. Then select your rectangle. Then press also space. After that, pick this point to this point and this point to this point. Then press space. After that, select yes from your command. And here it is. We rotate it using a line. Let's go to linear to check the scale. This one is 10 and this one should be 20. And here it is.